Hi guys, what's up? This is going to be a mini packing experience documentary vlog, whatever you call it. So I just want to document how I really pack stuff and just gonna see this in future. Like how I pack stuff in my college days. I have a lot of things to do. I'm just done with my finals right now, about 10 minutes back. I'm so finally done with spring 2025 semester. I have a lot of things to do right now. So I have to keep all my stuff in the storage. My friend is coming in his truck to pick me up in the next 2 hours and then keep it in a storage space for the summer. I have to vacate this room by tonight, but I've extended it to tomorrow. But so much mess around me, and yeah, this thing is like aesthetic mess. I mean, I like that, but apart from that, it's just the start. I think there's a lot of things to happen now, and my laundry is happening right now in the basement. No, I don't think it's gonna even take a good time lapse, just 10%. I just had the access for one bag and one sack, but I paid extra and got the second bag allowance. And by the way, right now it's 5:26 p.m. Friday 1. No, it's 2 May today, right? Done with the dryer and need to collect my stuff. So this 2 more minutes, and which one is the other? This. And there is the box. This is like the best laundry area view, I think. I just noticed something, like generally I just like check and put my hand and see did I like lose my clothes anywhere, but I noticed something here. What? That's an AirPod, and that's not just one. The other earpiece is here. How? Like, can I touch that? Oh, that's magnet. Damn. Yeah, the second earpiece is like here. That's weird. Better to be here. That's it. While I was putting my clothes inside, there was nothing like this, and for a second I am confused that is this mine? I use this AirPod 3 only. This is AirPod 3. Sad. This is mine. I went to the gym and my earphones were in my pocket because my friends came and were talking to me. I kid you not, this is mine. Seriously. I just have the cover. Yeah, so this was mine. Yeah, unfortunately. Let's see if it is. Okay. No, but it's like not in a working condition. But I think it makes no sense to use a earphone which pops out from here because a small mini check progress. So my friend is coming in an hour. I asked him to come late. I barely have any time to like sort up things. It's so confusing. I mean, these small things, right? These cause all the confusion. Rest main important things is this. So like I should dump all of this. Everything is perfect then. Done with the first bag, packed up. Hopefully I don't need to look after it again. Still easy, nice, enjoying. Okay, let's give it a shot. In next 15 minutes, by 7:10 p.m. I'm gonna complete either of these 3 storages. So it's 7:10 and the amount of progress, let's check it out in 15 minutes. Is it noticeable? I couldn't complete even a single bag, but small progress is still there. But now my focus is to fully focus on just one luggage bag. So the next challenge, the next 15 minutes, 7:25 p.m. is pack one of it. I mean, this time is gonna be easy. I think it's gonna be this. This is the winner. I'm gonna pack that first. I don't know. Are you curious? Continue watching the video and wait. So it's 7:25 right now. Surprise! I'm still working on this one, but I cleared everything down and here. Okay, there's a paper right here. So the next aim is 7:35, not 15 minutes, not 10 minutes. Need to be on track. I'm like so slow. I think time is like, it's officially safe to say that time is now flying like this drone. I cleared everything from here parallelly, even if you can't see the progress. Yeah, there's a lot of progress here. This is empty. Almost this I don't have to store, so I can like pack it last in my luggage. Okay, now I have a small plan. It's 7:35 p.m. Yeah. So the plan is, I'll take all these luggage which I have to store and go with my friend and just store them in the storage spaces. And I know what stuff I have to take, right? I already have like this half luggage, I mean this entire half part free fully, and the freezer is just waiting to unfreeze the freezing ice. Did it make any sense? No. This is empty, so this needs to, oh wait, what's inside this? This is the next day. And I need to check out this room in the next 2 hours. Slept for about 7 hours, and my friend came up and helped me out in packing as well, so that made the things faster. So just this and this, that's what even I have been saying since a long time. And what if I just pull out this paper? They won't get to know. Nice song, bro. So this is the small status, and this is my friend helping me out. What's up?
What's up?
This is clean. Pretty much everything is done, except this. I'm done packing every single thing from this Holmes Hall West Homes room number 324. This is all the stuff. This, and the 3-4 luggage boxes from yesterday.
And you also left. Come on, go down.
Okay, this part is not. This dot is being added in the video now. Any words, sir, Aditya?
Huh?
Any? Okay, look at these other rooms, by the way. So much stuff. So this is all the stuff. Super unorganized, but I am last final check out. Nothing here. This is empty. Check. This is how it was. And this space like this, nothing here down, nothing here. Check, all done, check. I need to close everything, put down the curtains. This is my last view. Wow, look at this effect now. Nice effect. Yeah, everything is coming together like back. Last week I went in my freshman year room just to see how it was. So this is my room. Here's hall. And thank you so much. What's your name? Preston, thank you so much. The same view from here. Almost. I don't think the camera can capture right now. But it's the same exact room. Very nice. I like the flooring better than Holmes Hall. And yeah, it's very nice. Cool. Thank you so much.
Is this for YouTube?
These are a couple of random rooms, and I have locked my room. I have to check out my key. Nah, I think my view is better. Yeah, this is decent. Boom. I won't come here again. And there it is going inside. Okay, so I'm gonna check this out from here. Hi, I wanted to check out.
Okay, can you stay ready?
Yeah.
Thank you. And now I just have your key. You're all set.
Perfect. Oops.
That's okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, have a good day.
You too.
Thank you.
Taking all of this stuff in his room. The weather is pleasant, nice, and we are just randomly running in between. Nice fun. Good weather. Wow. This looks so cinematic. IM Museum. डाला तू अरे जानू से क्या है तीन के लिए ये कुछ ऐसा रूम है आदित्य जिन Look at this, how weird can it by these people.